Question 1. What is your favorite hobby to do in your spare time? Question 2. What is your favorite book and why? And question 3. What is your favorite vacation spot and why? Thank you for your time.
Question, Janessa. The question that I would want to choose out of those three would be, what is my favorite vacation spot? Be it that we're going to go on vacation in June to this location, I'd like to say that San Diego, California is one of my favorite locations here in America. I am originally from California, so I do believe that sparked my interest going to San Diego, California. San Diego has beautiful weather year-round. You cannot beat it. The beaches are beautiful. You can see a lot of cool things like SeaWorld. You can go to the zoo. You can see the beach. My wife loves to do a lot of shopping. The bad things about San Diego is how expensive it is. Probably one of the highest costs of living in America. And it is also very crowded. A lot of people want to go to San Diego for obvious reasons. And because the fact that I'm going to be going in the summertime, June, it's going to be very crowded, and it's going to be very, very, very expensive to stay on the beach, but we're going to do it anyways. Another great thing about San Diego is that it's only about 2 hours away from where I grew up, and so that will allow me to go visit my hometown. That is another excellent reason to go. I also love the sports out there in California. All my favorite teams are out there: the Dodgers, the Angels, the Rams, and even the Lakers. That is a great vacation for me. I could imagine going nowhere else, and I cannot wait to go. Of course, I'm saving up all my money, all my pennies and nickels and dimes and quarters just to get there. But I am definitely looking forward to it. And that is a great destination for anybody who wants to enjoy what God has created on this great planet. So thank you for that question, Janessa. I hope I answered it. And again,